Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Access Tech. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change mouse cursor color on Windows 11. This is very easy, so let's start. In this video, I show you the easiest and step forward method. So let's follow me. First, here in the search bar, type mouse to find the mouse setting. See here, this is the mouse setting. Click on it. The mouse setting is appear. Under the related settings tab, you can find mouse pointer option. Click on it. See here there are a lot of mouse setting option. Here now select this color icon. This is custom color option. After selecting this, some recommended colors are appear. You can select any color from here, or you can choose another color from here as you want. Any color you set from here. See here the color are set. That's it for now. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. If you enjoy this, please like this and as well as subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.